Hello babes, welcome back to another vlog. So started her workout plan 2 days ago. Ole a bun. Okay, that first day, Jesus Christ. I honestly thought I damaged my wrist because nope. I won't be going at my own pace. Okay, until I can reach to that pace. But I'll cool vibe. I'm saying. So let me say I eat 3 times a day. Well, 5 times a day. 3 meals and 2 snacks. And I know sisters only eat like 1 2 days so we get some there, okay? So what I'm doing is meal prepping, but for me and mommy. So I have the meat in the oven, baking. I'm gonna do some basmati rice. For me, I doing some steamed broccoli to go with that and the fish. And for mommy, I'll do a salad for her. And make some kind of a sauce. So that she could eat her stuff with. So I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, so my little basmati rice is going there. I put in some more water, see if we go yield some more. And I have my broccoli already cut up here. I cut up this sweet pepper and this tomato for mommy's salad to go along with her lettuce. Right, beautiful. And I'm gonna make a sauce for she little chicken, so she ain't gonna feel like if she eating dry chicken now. So I might teeth one of my orange and make a nice little orange sauce or something. So I'm gonna Google to see how to do that. But yeah, the do is being done. Okay, Ollie, we almost there. Okay, we are almost there. So this mommy, I ain't put out mine yet. But 2 days she getting broccoli because she's not supposed to eat broccoli. She could eat it 3 times a week. So I just give her for 2. This waiting on our sauce. This waiting on our sauce. But I think I might have to do this sauce separately. This is her salad. She have a salad per bowl. She have some cut up apples. She could eat like 1 small apple a day. So she get 1 for 1 day. What I do for her? I make that sauce all day. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so there she has salad, this basically, and a sauce that I need to go and Google right now to make sure she food ain't too dry. You know, so that's that day. When I put on mine, I'm gonna let y'all know, but this is how mommy was looking so far. Alright, Tolly, so this is me, my little rice, my little fish, and my little broccoli. That's me there for the next 3 days. My breakfast comprises of either an egg bagel with my protein shake, or on an evening I might do, what else is that boy? A strawberry shake. Yeah, but that's how I will be organizing myself. But this is me, that is mommy. Yeah, and I'm gonna make this sauce real quick. It will be a very easy sauce. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, y'all, good morning. So we're gonna get ready to get this breakfast smoothie in a gear. So what I'll be using is some frozen strawberries, some of my well, I freeze the spinach. I cut up some bananas, so I freeze them and have them there. The rest of my yogurt and almond milk. Let's make this smoothie.
Baby,
have a workout session, so I'm gonna show you what I'm eating for dinner. You all wanna see my breakfast this morning, which was the strawberry smoothie, and then for lunch I had what you all saw as well, the rice, broccoli, and fish. For my snack was the AM biscuits, as well as I think it was 12 cricks and peanut butter. So now I'm gonna show you what I make for my protein shake. So almond milk, some peanut butter, this is my protein powder. All I ever like this, I've only been using it for 3 days now, but it tastes real good in what I used it in for those past 3 days. I really like it. Like, it don't have a crazy aftertaste. It not, the flavor not all over the place. Exactly what it says it is. Gourmet vanilla is exactly how it is tastes. And it says real. I like it. It's rich and creamy. I like that. So yeah, my protein powder, a little bit of olive oil, and to top it all off, to have for them gains, my love, I'll put a little bit of oats. I don't really need the oats, but I'll still put a little bit just in case, you know, just to give it a little extra body. And then I'll eat one bagel and with one boiled egg and some lettuce. So let's get this protein shake made. And I don't want to show you me boiling an egg and putting the bagel in the oven. That's like self-explanatory. I'm saying. And no, I do not really use, we call this thing, measurements. I just stop when the answer to say stop. Boy. Obviously, I just use 1 scoop of protein powder, so yeah. But yeah, so that's how that was made. I can pour on the water to boil for the egg. I'll put in the bagel after I finish, because it do take long to hot up. So yeah, and yes, all my Christmas tree is still up. I don't care. So let us go. I might take it on tomorrow, please, for sure, because it's coming up onto like the weekend, and that's a new like Gabrielle, you know. But so let's go make it my piece. Yeah, so I may show you all a piece of my workout today. Depends on if I did it or not. But it looked like today is like booty, because in the group she said to have your resistance bands. So yay! And all of my legs are still sore from Monday session. Like when I tell you sore. So I hope, you know, sis could do and organize yourself today, because all it's not easy. But I'm gonna come back to you. So this is dinner. I already have my protein shake. It's bagel with cream cheese, egg, and lettuce. So yeah, that's me day. Olha. I'm gonna eat this. Bait, I'm going my bird. This is beat. I wanna try out doing the overnight oats. I them two things they. As I say, I will try it in Bolingo and see that all might see it in the morning when I take it out to see how it's looking. But yeah. So that's that, signing off from this clip. Hola, banana sisters born. Hi, welcome back. Me and me know a clip policy before this. Hola, I am born. Hola, today is the last day I training for the week. So my training is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All I seen. I think I see Wednesday. Peace out Wednesday workout. Yeah. Today's Friday. Olia? Oh, good. Well, all I can see from me sweat. I have blood sweat like this in a very long time. Today we do legs, core, and like a full body situationship cardio. Olia. Why, Olia? Oh my god, my I'm born. I'm gonna sweat inside. I'm gonna make my protein shake and I'm gonna drink that. I know I'm gonna be very hungry. So I need to put some bagels to bake or something. Already hunger starts. When I tell it start, it start. So I'm gonna make a protein shake. I got my stuff here. You know, boy, the usual suspects. And yeah, I need to go and bathe and sing and all myself. I know tomorrow I'm gonna be sore, but you know, so I keep it in the back of my head. Gabrielle, we're looking for the good body girl, right? Wherever your body composition is, when it reach good body, that's what we're going for, you know? So, yeah, the body bites on ya. First week impressions, great investment. I'll give you the next update, like 2 weeks in, and then after the month, and let you know, would I continue on, would I not? All that good stuff. Well, yeah, so far so good. Boy. Yo, good morning. Morning. Welcome back to the vlog. So today I have a little instant, well not instant, we call it overnight oats to eat. I ate the other one yesterday. I know they say big hype in it, but it is an easy way to make oats without having to do the whole stove situation. And drunk also about my business. We have our vitamin C to take. And I'll eat that. No exercise today. Boy, today and tomorrow are 2 rest days. We're back at it on Monday, please the Lord. Yeah, so I'm about to start our next vlog. Yes, my Christmas tree is fully still up. Don't care, my place is up. That is all life is. But I'll take it on maybe Sunday or maybe next week. I don't know, but it will come along eventually. That's all right. I'll catch you vaps now, boy. Yeah. So I came here to the end of today's vlog. Thank you guys. Well, this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.